So, when you hear the term AI engineering, what's the first thing that pops into your head? For a lot of people, it's just chatbots. But if that's all you're thinking, you're missing out on the real revolution. We're going to pull back the curtain and show you what's actually happening in AI engineering right now.
Okay, so look at this. On one side, you've got what most people think. AI engineering is, well, building chatbots, things that just talk. But the reality, that's over on the other side, and it is so much bigger. We're talking about building fully autonomous AI systems. These aren't just conversation partners. They can find information, use tools, and actually make decisions on their own. It's a huge leap, right? From just talking to taking action.
So, how do you even begin to navigate this new world? Well, you need guides who've actually been there and done that. And that's where we come in. You've got Rishi Kora, a hands-on AI engineer, and Prem Kumar Kora, a systems architect who's an expert at taking these cool AI demos and turning them into real, rock-solid systems that companies depend on. Our goal isn't to just throw a bunch of code at you. Nope, we're here to teach you how professional AI engineers actually think and tackle these massive challenges. Look, this is all about cutting through the noise and getting to what really matters. So let's dive into the core concepts you absolutely have to master to build these kinds of advanced systems. We're going to get into how large language models, LLMs, actually plug into bigger modern architectures. You'll get practical with stuff like RAG, that's Retrieval-Augmented Generation, which is how we give these models real-world, up-to-date knowledge. And we'll get real about fine-tuning, when it's a game changer and honestly when it's just a waste of time. And all of this, it builds up to the main event, creating agentic AI systems, systems that can plan, take action, and safely use tools all by themselves. And to make sure this isn't just theory, we're going to walk through a super realistic case study with an airline. You'll see step by step how an AI system goes from just answering a customer's question to actually doing something about it, like, say, rebooking their flight, all on its own. But here's the key. What matters most isn't just the lines of code, it's the clarity. It's understanding the why behind the design. That is our absolute core focus. We're not here to give you a bunch of code snippets you can just copy and paste. The real goal is to build your deep understanding of the architecture. You'll learn the critical design decisions and the real-world trade-offs that professionals have to make every single day. And this is why our approach is designed specifically for professionals. Whether you're a product manager, an architect, a consultant, or an engineer, if you need genuine clarity on how these systems really work and you're tired of surface-level tutorials, this is for you. So it really comes down to this. It's time to build your real AI expertise. If you truly want to understand how these powerful AI systems are put together, and you want to be able to speak confidently, really speak the language about LLMs, RAG, and agentic AI, then this course is absolutely for you.